How to buy Kindle books on Amazon. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can buy Kindle books on Amazon. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you must log into your Amazon account either from the application or through its official website. And once you're logged in, now tap on the three-line icon at the top left. From this menu bar, tap on See All, scroll down a bit and then tap on Kindle. Then again tap on Kindle Books. Now select a book. You can search for your preferred book, and once you find your book, tap on it. Scroll down a bit now. In order to buy the book, you have to click on Buy Now with one click button right here. The book will automatically deliver to your chosen Kindle device or application. If you don't have the one-click option set up, you will be prompted to add payment details. And after purchase, the book will appear in your Kindle library. Open your Kindle application or device and sync it to download the book. And in this way, you can buy Kindle books on Amazon. And that's all for today's video. Hope the video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.